I hope you will stop in at Framewell Art Gallery on Memorial Parkway and see my artwork and note cards and order products with original art on it. These are hot notes and lucky mugs and tumblers. Moving right along over here, note cards, lots to choose from. Hope you'll enjoy seeing those. And the launch and the grand finale on the wall. Lots of prints and originals to choose from. See you soon.